Morning, Year 7. We're going to be looking at the area of a parallelogram, area of a triangle, and the area of a trapezium this morning. So first we'll look at the area of a parallelogram. Same as we do in class. I want you can pause it when you need to, make your notes. So you can click pause now and make your notes, shapes, parallelogram, learning objective, and keywords. When you're finished, press play and carry on. Quick starter for you. Press pause, complete the starter. Okay, so just a quick reminder for you. This is a rectangle, and can you recall the area of a rectangle, how we find it? So the area of a rectangle is given by its length multiplied by its width. Length in this case is 7 centimeters, and the width is 5. 7 times 5 is just 35 centimeters squared. Okay. I've got two lines there, one horizontal, one vertical, and they meet at right angles. So what can we say about these two lines in relation to each other? They are perpendicular. So whenever two lines meet at right angles, you can say that they're perpendicular to each other. And that little corner there, that's telling us that they are at 90 degrees. So we can say they're perpendicular, however we draw them. I've got two lines. I'm going to put those arrows on them, which means that they're never going to meet. So we can say these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. As long as we can see the arrows telling us that they're not going to meet, they're parallel to each other. I'm sure you can think up a lot of examples. If you're looking at the screen now, that might be a very good example. Right. So we've got two parallelograms here. What I'm going to do with the top parallelogram, I'm going to cut through the dotted line and take it away and place it on the other side of the other parallelogram. So by taking it from the left and putting it on the right hand side, I've created a rectangle. Now I know that to find the area of a rectangle, I've got to do the long side times the short side. So in this case, the area of a parallelogram is going to be equal to base times height. That's your area of parallelogram. It's always got to be, though, the perpendicular height, so be careful. Base times perpendicular height. Okay. It's my parallelogram. I've got two pairs of parallel sides. The opposite sides are parallel to each other. There's my perpendicular height, and there's my base. So the area of my parallelogram is base times height. Here's my parallelogram. Example for you. Area equals base times height. Base in this case is 12, good. And the perpendicular height, perpendicular, is 9. And 12 times 9 gives me 108 centimeters squared. Now I've got about 10 centimeters there that I haven't used. Do I need it? No. Okay, it's just superfluous, it's extraneous. You don't need that information there. It's just there to confuse you, but you're too smart for that. One more example then. Again, area equals base times height, or B times H. Base is 9, and the perpendicular height is 7. 9 times 7, 63. this case we've got our units are meters, so it's going to be meters squared. Okay, what I want you to do is press pause and work out the area of these three parallelograms for me. Once you've done that, press play again. Go through the answers. Area of number 1 is 96 centimeters squared. Area of parallelogram number 2 is 70 millimeters squared, and the area of parallelogram number 3, don't think you need a calculator for that one, 3.15 meters squared. Okay, so what I want you to do is make some notes in your book. So press pause and copy these two examples down into your books. Okay, good. Okay, new heading then. Area of a triangle. So press pause, make some notes, make the learning objective and the keywords, and then press play when you're ready. So the area of a triangle is half the area of a surrounding rectangular parallelogram. So if you have a triangle here and put a parallelogram around it, now then I know that the area of a parallelogram is base times height, perpendicular height. But my triangle, the diagonal line cuts from corner to corner, so that means those two triangles are equal. So if we've got two of the same triangles in a parallelogram, then their areas are going to be equal. So it's going to be half of the parallelogram. Each triangle is going to be half of the parallelogram. So the area of the triangle is half of the base times the perpendicular height. Quick example for you. It's a triangle, a right angle triangle. Area of the triangle is base times height. In this case the base is 6 and the perpendicular height is 7. So we've got 6 times 7 divided by 2. So it's equals 2 over 2, which is 21 centimeters squared. Another example for you. So the area of a triangle, base times height over 2. Base of my triangle is 5, perpendicular height is 6. So I've got 5 times 6 divided by 2. That's 30 divided by 2, half 30 is 15 centimeters squared. I've got these 5 triangles. I want you to work out the area of these 5 triangles for me. So click pause and work your way through them. When you're done, click play again. Area of the first triangle, 36 centimeters squared. Second one, 60 centimeters squared. Third, don't use a calculator, 112. Fourth one, you can multiply decimals, so no calculator again. You get 7.2, and finally 17.5, and the units are millimeters squared. So what I want you to do now is make some notes for me. Copy everything down into your books. Don't need the date again. I've already got the dates in Welsh. So click pause, make some notes, and then we'll look at the area of a trapezium next. Okay, and finally we're looking at the area of a trapezium. So again, click pause and make some notes. Area of a trapezium. So a trapezium comprises one pair of parallel sides. So side A is going to be parallel to side B, and the area of the trapezium is this half the sum of the parallel sides times the perpendicular height. So half of A plus B times perpendicular height. Read that word before, perpendicular. What I'm going to do is just to demonstrate where this comes from. I'm going to cut my trapezium in half, and then I'm going to flip it, flip the lid. So, cutting it in half, like so, and then at the corner here, I'm going to flip the lid. Since I cut it in half, I've got half the height. When I flip the lid, I end up with a shorter shape, half the height, but a longer one. Now, I know that from here to here is B, but I also know then the top is A, so this section is going to be equal to A. And so I've now got myself a long parallelogram. I know the area of a parallelogram is base times perpendicular height. The base is B plus A, or A plus B, times half of H. Area equals half of A times A plus B times H. So that's where the area of a parallelogram comes from. Area of a trapezium even comes from. Right. There's my trapezium. One pair of parallel sides, B, and perpendicular height. And I write the formula then in the form A plus B over 2 times H, the perpendicular height. Look at an example. Good. Always writing the formula. Always write the formula. So the area of the trapezium is A plus B over 2 times H. A is 5, B is 9, and the perpendicular height is 2. So we put that in the formula, equals 5 add 9 over 2 times 2. 5 add 9 is 14 over 2 times 2. Half of 14 is 7. 7 times 2 will give me 14 centimeters squared. One more example. And the trapezium given by A plus B over 2 times H, perpendicular height. In this case, A is 9, B is 15. So 9 plus 15, or 15 plus 9, over 2 times the perpendicular height, which is 6. 15 add 9 is 24. So half of 24 times 6, 12 times 6 is 72. 72 centimeters. 72 meters squared in this case. So what I want you to do then is to draw this example in your books. So click pause, put this in your books, and then proceed to the exercises there. Okay, and now I want you to complete exercise 9.1. It's on page 207 in your book, which is also in the files, so you can have a look at it there. And I'm going to attach it as well to your assignment. Questions 1 to 4, and then on to question 8, and we finish on question 15. Good luck and enjoy.